Need to refer later. Okay, chalo. How many of you have learned what is exactly financial management? Nobody knows.
Sir, I know.
Please go ahead, Yogita.
Financial management actually helps us to determine the risks involved, like leverage and everything, operating leverage, financial leverage.
Okay.
Financial management helps us to determine what is our capital structure, like equity, shares, reserves and surplus, preference shares, and debt. We calculate KD, KE, KP, KR, and it also helps us in dividend. While distributing dividend, we use dividend policies. Then different policies given by Walter, Gordon, and Modigliani Miller approach and everything. It also helps us in estimating our working capital and operating cycle, debtors holding period, and economic order quantity we call, that is the Wilson model we call. And it also helps us in receivables management, cash management, cash cost method, total method, wherein there is an assumption that in cash cost method we don't calculate with depreciation, whereas in total cost method depreciation is also added. So it helps us in overall estimating the cost that is involved and the cost of capital. बस इतना ही आता है.
इतना कि आपने तो पूरा सिलेबस ही बताया.
Thank you, sir.
How many of you have understood? First and foremost, big round of applause for Yogita. Yogita, you have done
Thank you,
which
sir.
course?
I'm pursuing CS.
No. You are a graduation from which?
BCom, normal BCom.
Normal BCom. So BCom में तो ये पढ़ा नहीं है आपने.
No.
Executive में पढ़ा है आपने.
हाँ, executive CS.
समझ गया.
I'll be appearing for the second group in December.
ये BCom का आउटकम नहीं है. Okay. अगर आप PS पढ़े नहीं रहते तो I think you would not have given me these kind of answers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But with your answer, how many of them actually understood the financial management? Let me ask this question from your friends and colleagues. We have teacher also like Hina. We have Jay, I think he's from industry. There are people who are from industry, banking, financial. So let me see how much they understood.
So, well, not much in all the technical terms. I would just say for me, financial management is about the planning of your finances and kind of controlling it well, or you can say, directing in proper things. That is for me financial management. I wouldn't understand all the technicalities. At least as of now, I don't understand it. I will understand as the course proceeds.
Okay. Good, you have admitted. And I think you, what is your bachelor program, Ina?
It's BMS.
BMS, there was little
There
bit of.
was, but then again, that was 5 years back, so I do
Oh.
not really remember a lot. So, yeah, it's kind of a gap.
Okay. But that should not be acceptable. Otherwise, you have learned alphabets in a very childhood. Still, we are able to remember, recollect, and
But
reproduce.
yes,
ये common
we did
में बहुत.
have financial management as a subject.
तो ये कॉमर्स के बच्चों का बहुत कॉमन आंसर है. Sir, we have learned in FI, we don't know. ऐसा नहीं होता है ना. That's good. At least you have given little bit of idea regarding financial management. Anyone else? Anybody else? Okay. Let us take few example. How many of you are working? Because अभी आप तो घर पे रहेंगे. I may not be able to take up those illustrations, but there are few working class. Do we have them in the lecture? Are they, present in today's lecture? I just forgotten their name. One was Hina only, other was Jay, Yash. They were working somewhere. Yes, Yash?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm present in this.
Yeah, you're working in bank?
Yeah, I'm working with JP Morgan.
Very good. Okay, Yash, very simple question. Okay. See,
Mhm.
one thing, let me make it very clear. Whenever my session will be there are few students who have seen my student earlier also. I'll go with very grassroots level at the beginning, okay,
Mhm.
to make your things very clear. And once the fundamental and things are clear to you all, then I'll give you a lot of homework. I always believe rather than me doing something, if we'll do that kind of thing, it will going to give us the fruitful result. And thereby, student get very good marks. Now let us understand the basics of financial management. And I am sure all of you are implementing financial management in your day-to-day life. Okay. Let us take the example of Yash. Yash, can you tell me, are you working from home or you have to report to the, office also?
No, I'm working from home currently.
Okay, so there is no movement of, home to office.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, if I take the example, because you have worked earlier, can you tell me how much was the expenses do you incurred? I mean, your home and office is in the same vicinity or it is little far ahead?
Not too far, I would say, but then, yes, about a 30-minute commute, I would say.
Okay. So, of course, you must be incurring certain expenses.
Right. Traveling, yes, for sure. A
Okay.
big save.
Okay. So, of course, now you have your own kind of income. So you must have had a certain kind of estimation, ki, sir, per week or per month, this would have been my cost. Say, for example, 1,000, 2,000, or 3,000 per month for traveling. Am I right?
Right, sir.
Okay. The same way, we had a student who have not worked earlier. Am I right? Other than these two, rest all were student till now. Maidvi, Anjali, Jinal, John, Gopika, Simran. Am I right? Ratri. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you present or not?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes,
you
sir.
must be getting the pocket money, okay, from your parents. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, how much would have been the amount what you used to get as a pocket money from your parents?
500 monthly.
500,000. So, can you recollect those periods when you used to get those 500 rupees? That entire amount would have been incurred by you, or there were certain saving also?
Certain savings also, sir.
Certainly saving. Certainly saving is the answer. Can I have any different answer by anyone else? Namita, Jinal, Gopika, John, सिमरन, चिराग, मेरा क्वेश्चन सबसे है, अदर देन हीना एंड यश, योगिता, मोहित, नेहा सिंह, बताइए. We got very strong answer from Ratri. Certainly saving. Okay. Is your answer different than her? Is your answer different than her? So there is no answer. So I assume your answer is also similar what Ratri is telling, or Anjali is telling, or Namita is telling. Then, did you understand what things made you comfortable to have those savings? What kind of knowledge? Was it your knowledge of auditing? Was it your knowledge of financial accounting? Was it your knowledge of cost accounting? Was it your knowledge of commerce? Was it your knowledge of marketing? Was it your knowledge of financial market? कौन सा knowledge था?
Auditing.
Auditing. Nice. How auditing is correlated with this? See, those who have joined late, let me make things clear to you all. We are discussing now the financial management aspect, and we wanted to take it up certain live example. So I have asked a very simple question from these students, that when you take the pocket money, there was saving or not. So they got me the answer that yes, certainly saving was the answer. Okay, so everyone used to save. तो कौन सा नॉलेज था, कौन से सब्जेक्ट के नॉलेज की वजह से दिस सेविंग would have been possible? The answer is financial management. Okay, you got the funds from your parents. You were supposed to invest those funds or incur as an expenditure. Okay, you have not incurred, you have planned those expenses properly, and with that planning, you created certain funds, certain savings. Am I right? हाँ या ना? तो आपने क्या किया? You had your income. From that, you had the saving, and finally, you did the expenditure. This is the economic equation what we write. Okay? This is what is happening. We always try to save before incurring expenditure. Do you agree with me or not? Hina and Yash,
Yes, sir.
we always save. So we are very good in saving. That is there in the genes of India. We are
True.
very good in saving. Why to save? There is plenty of options. Okay, we save for ourselves, we save for our parents, dependent parents, we save for our dependent children, we save for Ganpati ji also. When Ganpati comes, we need to pay. चंदा नहीं दिया तो फिर बोलेंगे कि भाई इसको कुछ कमाता ही नहीं है, this and that. For neighbor, if they are in need of funds, someone coming from village, if they ask for the fund, then also you have to have the saving and you have to pay to them. Agar someone has asked the money from you and you are unable to satisfy their need, that means you are not earning at all. कुछ भी बोल के जाएंगे. Have you experienced these things in your life or not?
Yeah.
So it's not only we are saving for ourselves, sir, we are saving for many. Okay. Now this COVID has taught us a big lesson. Yes or no? This pandemic has taught us a big lesson that we should have the saving. Otherwise, if there will not be inflow for 1.5 years, how you can survive? Do you agree with me or not?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So one thing by default you are knowing, one important segment of financial management, it's there in the genes of every Indian. It's there in the genes of every Indian. But the second very important segment of it is not there. And that is commonly known as do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What you must have done, if you have saved those 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or 200 rupees, वो वैसा ही नोट as it is आपने रखा रहेगा, हाँ या ना?
Yeah.
And in days to come, the purchasing power of those money is decreasing. Inflation बढ़ रहा है और पैसे से परचेज करने की पावर उस मनी का घट रहा है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
There we are lacking.
Yes, sir.
It would have been different if we would have invested and our rate of investment would have been better than the rate of inflation. I would have been in a better position. अभी ये चीज मेरे को लगता है यश को समझा रहेगा, सचिन को समझा रहेगा. Yes,
sir.
Am I
Yes, sir.
right? On the right track?
Absolutely.
So if, and then only you can have the better life, and that makes you rich. Otherwise, जिंदगी भर कमाते रहोगे. There are people, right, who are my friends also. They don't know the investment properly. They have never applied this logic in their day-to-day life. आता है, लोन लेता है, लोन चुकाता है, फिर वापस पगार आता है, लोन लेता है, लोन चुकाता है, पगार आता है, लोन लेता है, लोन चुकाता है, आज तक लोन में ही है. So there is very good quote for the farmers of India. I have seen many people in Mumbai also. Born in debt, live in debt, and died in debt. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
This is lack of financial management. When demonetization or remonetization took place, कितने सारे कैश भटक रहे थे इधर उधर, देखा था आपने? अरे, are you able to recollect or not? 8 September
sir.
था ना?
Yes, sir.
When
Yes,
RBI
Yes,
ने-
sir.
याद आ रहा है कितने सारे न्यूज चैनल पे दिख रहा था, इधर जल रहा है, उधर फेंक दिया है, वो लूट रहा है, वो फेंक रहा है. Was it? What was it? This was
Yes,
the
sir.
example of saving, not investment. Try to understand if those money would have been invested in the country's economic development, it would have been created EVA, economic value addition. Yes or no? And I hope you must be aware, expenditure of one is income of many. तो मैं किसी भाई तुम लोग पर्सनल से मत दिया करो भाई, गड़बड़ हो जाता है. Economic value addition. Okay. So the best financial manager, right? If we want to select, whom you want to select as a best financial manager? Tell me. इतना एग्जाम्पल मैंने दिया हुआ. whom you want to take as the best financial manager?
The one who invests.
घर का एग्जाम्पल दो, अभी तो इन्वेस्टमेंट एक चीज समझा दिया मैंने. There I want to teach you one logic. If suppose those 100 or 200 rupees, you would have bought a silver coin. You have created 10, 15 silver coin, and then you reinvested in a gold coin. Are you getting me or not?
Yes.
Just see the price of silver and gold over a period of time. For that, nothing is required. Student tell, sir, investment ke liye we would have bank account, this and that. Do you think for these examples, these learning, do we require any bank account to be opened? Or any PAN card or Aadhaar card?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So these learning, आप देखो, जो true investors होता है वो born learn रहता है. They learn these things in their family. This is the true meaning of financial management. Procuring finance, utilizing finance in optimum manner, saving finance, investing finance, and getting the highest return is the actual financial management. In India, for certain part, we are very good. That's why you must have seen this. Your pandemic has not impacted India much as it impacted other developed countries. Do you agree with me or not?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Because our basics, our genetics, हम लोग उतना सेविंग तो रखता ही ऑलवेज घर पे. उसके लिए हमको कोई फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट की टीचिंग की जरूरत नहीं है, लर्निंग की जरूरत नहीं है. And what Yogita has stated for that cost of capital or weighted average cost of capital or capital structure or dividend policy or management of receivable or management of cash, we did not require. This is our basic learning. Every one of us, we know. Because we see, हम देखते हैं कि हमारे मॉम सेविंग कर रहे हैं, हमारे पेरेंट्स सेविंग कर रहे हैं. The best financial manager, what I can take as an example is Indian housewife, mothers. And nobody can defend this. मोदी जी ने भी जब नोटबंदी किया था, सबसे हाईएस्ट अमाउंट उनके पास से निकला था. आया ना?
Yes, sir.
उनके
Yes, sir.
I mean, क्या बोलते हैं उसमें, चावल के इसमें और ये बैग में और वो बैग में, ऐसे सब कैश था. और सब बड़े नोट 1000 and 500. छोटे नोट उन लोग सेविंग ही नहीं करते. what if वो नोट अगर उन्होंने सिल्वर में इन्वेस्ट किया रहता या वही नोट का उन्होंने गोल्ड में इन्वेस्ट किया हुआ रहता, तो मोदी जी का डिमोनेटाइजेशन उनको अफेक्ट करता?
नहीं.
No.
तो उन्होंने सेविंग अच्छा करा, इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं कर पाए. Okay. Do you know how many of, what is the percentage of Indian who invest in stock market, Indian stock market? What is the percentage? Any rough idea? Are you getting my question?
50 to 60.
मैंने आपको क्या बोला? We are very good in saving, but
Hello.
we are very bad in investment. Okay, I've given you certain example also. Mother का example दिया. Omkar and Ratri, just wait. Let me explain the things what I wanted them to answer. Okay. तो मैंने आपको बताया, if it would have been invested, or rather, if you would have invested, not only keeping that cash with you, if you would have invested in your silver or gold, and पहले क्या करने का 200 में सिल्वर कॉइन मिलता है, 500 में सिल्वर कॉइन मिलता है, तब सिल्वर कॉइन जमा करो पहला, ठीक है? फिर वो सिल्वर कॉइन बहुत सारे हो जाएंगे तो उनको बेच के गोल्ड कॉइन ले लो, 3-4 गोल्ड कॉइन होंगे, उससे बड़ा गोल्ड कॉइन ले लो, 5 ग्राम, 10 ग्राम, 20 ग्राम, 25 ग्राम, ऐसा देखो उसका वैल्यू होता है कि नहीं, रिटर्न मिलता है कि नहीं। तो उसी कंटेक्स्ट में हमने बताया, मैंने ये अग्री किया कि इंडियंस आर वेरी वेरी गुड विद दिस इक्वेशन. Income minus saving is equal to expenditure. ओके और इसी कंटेक्स्ट में मैंने आपसे पूछा कि वी आर वेरी गुड सेवर बट वी आर वेरी बैड इन इन्वेस्टमेंट. अभी मैंने जितने भी सैंपल लिए इसमें से किसी ने ये चीज को अप्लाई नहीं करा है. यस एंड सेम वे मैं और एक डेटाबेस देना चाहता हूं आप लोगों को, एंड फॉर दैट आई हैव आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन, what is your perception that how many Indians are there investing in the stock market? So I got the answer from Omkar and there was Rashmi. Yes, Omkar, please go ahead.
Sir, around 3 to 4% in the regularized market.
Not regularized. You पूरा ढूंढ के निकालेगा तो 3% मिलेगा. Google कर अभी. 2.5.
Sorry?
Including everything, it is not more than 3%.
Okay.
Just try to understand how bad we are. Still we are, हम बोलते हैं ना हम लोग आजाद हो गए, नहीं हुए. Your entire capital market is captured by foreign investors. Yes or no? अगर आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन सिर्फ 3% है तो 97% कौन है? अरे बोलो.
Foreign.
सोचो
Foreign market.
सोचो. कभी भी तो तुम गुलाम ही हो, वो जैसा चाहेगा वैसा ही होगा. Yeah. Not only promoters, everyone, because they, and do you know the reasons? I want the next lecture, you should ready with these answers. I'll ask many things. First 2 sessions, I always give the importance why you have selected this. Now I'll give the importance of FM. Then subsequently, theoretically, मैं complete करूँगा FM chapter 1, and then we will jump to practical aspect of FM. You will not be able to realize कहाँ से सर किसको कनेक्ट कर डाले. So you have to be very prompt. And I'm not finding that you have got the roll numbers. Please see to it that you should get the roll numbers, because I'll start taking your attendance also. I have to keep the record of attendance. So even you have seen, I have proved with the investment in stock market, our share, our contribution is very less. All together, if we will take Sher Khan or कौन सा आप बोलते हो, राठी और जो भी है आपके इन्वेस्ट, सबको मिला के, उसके क्लाइंट को मिला के, as Omkar has said, it's only 3%. इतना सिखाने के बाद, इतना अवेयरनेस देने के बाद ये सिचुएशन है. So we are very bad in investment. And that's why we are not considered as developed nation. जिस दिन हमको investment सीखने आ गया ना, will be leading towards the developed nation. And we will in days to come. Okay, so this is the basic learning of finance. It always starts from planning. All 4W and 1H. What, where, when, why, how. How you can procure, for which purpose you are going to use, how much you can use, how much you can save, how you can reinvest, how you can get returns. Again, those returns could be reinvested. So my humble request, now no more bunk in the lecture. Kindly attend all the lectures. All lectures will be interesting and important, and it will be part and parcel of your syllabus. See you tomorrow. Sorry for taking this lecture bit early, because we have admission duty. So I have to report to the college. And thanks for your cooperation. And I got to know that your previous lecture was free. That's why I have taken lecture bit early. Thank you, John, for updating. And see you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow again we have lecture. Am I right? I started your session last Saturday morning.